Ciao friends! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got a really special recipe for you. It's a vegan, gluten-free carrot bread. It's not just a healthy one, but also an incredible, delicious one. It's packed with a lot of nutrients from the almond flour, the grated carrots, the buckwheat flour, the flaxseed. So let's make it together. You will love it.
First, we make the flaxseed gel. That works as a binding agent, replacing the eggs. Combine the flaxseed and the psyllium husk with the water, stir and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This mixture will help to hold the bread together and give it a great texture. And the seeds are also high in fiber, which is great for our digestion. Now let's move on to our carrots. Rasp them really fine. The carrots add natural sweetness and moisture to the bread, plus carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which is excellent for our skin and eyesight. So for the dry ingredients, in a large bowl mix the brown rice flour, the buckwheat flour, the almond flour, the yeast, the baking powder and the salt well together. These flours are all gluten-free and work really well together to give the bread a very nice texture, while the baking powder and the yeast help the bread rise. Now it's time to put in the carrots, the plant-based natural yogurt, the olive oil for extra moisture and the maple syrup for sweetness. Now slowly put in the lukewarm water and start mixing everything well. We want a slightly sticky dough. At last, put in the flaxseed gel. Gluten-free flours can be sometimes a little bit tricky while mixing it, and they tend to be more dense than traditional ones, but that's okay, it will bake up beautifully. When everything is combined, cover the dough and let it rest for 8 hours. This helps the yeast activate and gives the bread time to rise. Also, the bread can become lighter and fluffier. After this time, the dough should be slightly puffed up. Transfer the dough to a baking pan covered with baking paper. This bread is packed with nutrients. Carrots for the redness and for the color, almond flour for the protein and healthy fats, and flaxseed for the fiber. It's wholesome and delicious. Bake the bread at 415 Fahrenheit for about 60 to 75 minutes. You want the top to be golden and crispy and a soft center. Once it's done, let the bread completely cool down before slicing. This part is hard. I know, the smell is amazing, but trust me, it will be sliced much better once it's cooled. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, comment and follow me for more healthy Italian-inspired recipes. Buon appetito!